guys? In today's video, we're going to be reviewing and opening this JEGS plasma cutter. So I picked it up. I haven't even opened it yet. I am a complete noob when it comes to plasma cutters, but we're working on a pretty hefty project and I need it for this. We've got a hellcat motor going into this Dodge Dakota, and I need to cut out about a quarter. I think it's about a 1/4 inch steel. It might be an 1/8, but regardless, I have to make up an opening for our starter motor to clear. So I'm going to open this up, show you guys what's in the box. We'll test it out, and it'll be an honest review on this thing from a complete noob. Alright, so once you open the box, you can see your line and our torch is in here. We've also got a regular plug into our adapter, which is cool. So this will run off a regular outlet. And out she comes. Look at this freaking thing, you guys. So they give you, if you don't have one of these, they give you this really cheap one, which I guess is better than nothing, but it's still funny. And then, I don't know what's in this little box. Let's see. Oh, this is just a lens or whatever to go into your funny mask if you're trying to do a Halloween costume. You get a little brush, and other than that, some instructions. There's a couple band clamps, and then I guess our ground. So not a whole lot, but we'll assemble it right now. So that's what it looks like on the front. Let me open it up and we'll get it assembled. Okay, so they don't include any air fittings, so if you're like me and you're gonna use your air compressor or attempt to, you're gonna need a fitting, no big deal. So it screws in on the back of the unit. So we've got our air fitting back there, and then we'll plug in on the front. All right, so like I said, full disclosure, no idea what I'm doing. I hooked up the air and we got that connected. We've got power. I've got a little test piece because it says to obviously test, and especially in my case, since I have no idea what I'm doing. And I guess you kind of adjust your air pressure. So it says to run it to about up to 70 PSI, which is actually what we're at right now. So we should be okay on air pressure. You can adjust your air pressure, you know, more or less with the knob. We got our 3 connections. So this is for our trigger, this is for the actual air to come through, and then this is our ground. So that's pretty much it. So we've got that. I've got my ground on this piece. I guess if we turn it on, that's the machine. I'm gonna get my gloves and my mask, and I don't know, we'll see what happens. So there you go, you guys. For an absolute noob to be able to pick this thing up and just start cutting stuff, I think that's pretty cool. So I have never used one of these before in my life, and I was able to, you know, cut stuff, and it seems like it has pretty accurate precision. So I think it's gonna work for my purpose. So I think I'm just gonna be able to just go ahead and, you know, try out what I want to do here. So I'm gonna go ahead and move on. Alright, so I keep popping the breaker, but I managed to kind of cut the little circle that I was trying to cut. So I don't know if you guys can see that. So rather than it falling in the frame, I'm going to pop it out with a flat screwdriver, which I think is preferable. So let me just get this out. But yeah, she went right through like butter, you guys. Hopefully you guys can see. I mean, that is a hefty chunk of metal. Look at that, 1/4 inch right there. And like I said, she just went through like nothing. So I'm definitely happy with this tool, you guys. It's pretty cool. All right, guys, so just a quick review for you guys. If you guys want me to do other stuff or check out my main channel, Boosted Motorsports, I'll link it down below. We do a lot of work and we'll probably be using this a lot more, but like I said, that's the first time I've ever used a plasma cutter, and I literally just plugged it in and you know, hooked up some air to it, and we're cutting already. So pretty simple to use. I don't know, I can't tell the difference, but honestly it seems to do what I need it to do. So I guess you know, my needs are met. Maybe somebody that has more needs might be a little bit different, but nonetheless it works. If you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and check out all of our channels where we do stuff like this, and this one where we do other reviews, and we'll see you guys on the next video.